Alright guys, so today is the day. The company that came out to repair here is this DENT Medic. So you can see the number here. But yeah, the process is started. Before we get further into the video guys, I do want to mention today's sponsor of this video, and this is an empty ad space. Mainly right now I'm looking for content or ads that are related to my channel. I will take other things unrelated to cars, but of course, you know, the car stuff, I'll always consider that first. My email address will be in the video description. You guys can also reach me by my social media links, which are also in the video description. I will not be doing this for long, guys, so if you have your business, your product or service, let's connect. Again, if it's car related, I am prioritizing that over anything else, but you know, I am taking all categories right now. So let's go.
I gotta keep it 100, you niggas don't rush it, but me, I'm the realest though. So I ain't really with the fake shit, dog, we not in kicking mode. I'm one of the men, I'm standing on 10, you stand at attention, I'm speaking cold, so much I wanna pen. But let me begin by telling you I'm finna win it all. Got a soul full of fire, I come from a violent environment, making multi-million-dollar plans, you save enough for retirement. Fuck these niggas, fuck these bitches, fuck hoes, fuck opinions. Fuck that shit, man. Everybody know what's wrong with other folks, but never know what's wrong with them. How the fuck you gonna tell me that I'm not a star and I don't shine?
Alright, so guys, this is the final results, man. Dent all gone. So the only way you can see that something is there is only if you come up. You have to kind of know it was there. You know, so you come very close on camera, you can see the touch-up spot, of course. But other than that, man, it's like, I love it. I love it. You know, it doesn't look like I have a bullet hole in the side of my car anymore, man. Yeah. I love this.
Yeah, it's an eyesore, you know. So
yeah, I love this. You know, I like this color. I think on black it would have like just bothered me more, you know. This is great, man. All right, cool. All right. So again, I'll put I think I got your logo and everything again.
Cool. Yeah.
But yeah, guys, thank you guys. Mike,
the DENT Medic, Spencer.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Let me just give you guys if you guys down here, what areas do you guys service again?
Anywhere in Broward County for sure, north through Boca Raton, Delray. Yep.
Okay, yeah, there you go. So DENT Medic. Oh, thank you. Yes, need that. So DENT Medic. You see the number as well here. Dents, dings. That's mainly it, right? Mostly
that's mainly it, yeah.
That's nice, man. Thank you, man, for the prompt response and everything. Appreciate it. Good work. Thank you. All right, take care, guys. All right, you too. So, this is my co-worker's attempt to removing his own dent.
Get most of the yellow off with just a fucking screw. So yes,
not the only one who had dent problems.
Hot water isn't gonna undent metal. Damn, my car's dirty. And
it only works on what? The plastic, right?
Dirty, but now it's fucked up.
So where did they put the hot water? Is it when it's plastic?
Yeah. Like if this was pushed in, you could pour some hot water on it and it might.
So which part is metal? Which part is plastic? The bottom?
This is the plastic ends.
Oh, so it's all the metal.
That hot water's not gonna work, bro.
Suction cup. That's your best bet for the big one, but the little ones aren't coming out.
It just called the professionals, bro.
Oh, it's an Apple repair toolkit.
You have to clean that thing before you put that suction cup on it.
Yeah, otherwise you're gonna. Not that you care that it's scratched at this point. You might want to put the hot water on it before you do that.
Yeah, clean up.
You don't want to just rub dirt into it.
No, like put the water first.
At least get it wet.
Yeah. Hey, we're still talking about cars here.
Wherever you're going to put it.
Man, this guy's dedication to DIY, you know?
Did the dent repair truck?
It probably costs like 200 to fix that, maybe. They could charge you 200.
So
I'll go with the black
5
one.
max.
this one, right?
No, that's too big. Just grab the middle. bigger of the.
You're blocking the way, bro.
So just fucking vents. No, you just open it up and then put it on. It's also the same tools you need to repair a freaking apple. Not stand behind you, swing your elbow.
Nope.
You need something stronger than
You're
that.
gonna need the bigger one.
Yeah, you need a bigger one, right? Because
Go
you may
with the yellow one.
you can create like a pointy sticking out like that.
This is bringing back memories.
You need to move it there.
I was like, go get a toilet bowl plunger.
Nah, it's not even sticking.
It's not a flat enough surface.
Yep. Nope.
Wet the plunger.
Wet it. I'm assuming you just did this, or no, you ordered from Amazon already, so.
No, I did this a while back, and no.
What do you mean, no? Like
It's
it
not gonna
doesn't.
stick. Nope.
It doesn't
It's not a flat.
It's not flat.
surface.
It's not a flat surface.
round
Alright,
it.
so I guess you could use 2 of these. Then?
No, it's not going. Two is not
The
going.
little
Yeah.
ones.
2 of the little
They
ones,
just-
since one didn't work.
The guy who just did my door, he went from the inside and pushed the metal out from the inside. So
Yeah, you'd have to take apart the inside of all the molding in the trunk.
maybe from the wheel well area, maybe they can get in from there.
But if you have the right suction cups, they'll be able to pull that shit. Or if not, they use the hot glue nowadays.
Nope.
Yeah, bro, that's not even budget.
How about 3 of them?
How about we heat it up with a blowtorch? Wait, no, your gas tank's right there. Not a good idea.
It's not strong enough.
No, you had some weak ass fucking suction cups.
Maybe 3 of them would be strong enough.
I've seen them. Nah, it's not going to touch those. That's just there forever now.
Yeah.
That needs to be.
Call a
hammered.
guy, bro.
Yeah, the
it's
only
not
other
leased.
thing I could think of is to somehow like take out the bumper or get under here and then get under there and bang it up. Alright?
Now my fingers are stuck.
Dip them in some hot water.
Or get some crazy glue. Glue the suction cup on there. Pull it out.
And then how am I going to put that?
Crazy.
I've seen where they do where they'll hot glue gun or some super type of fucking sealer on with these little, and they grab a hold of them and just pull. What is?
Yeah.
But yeah, dent doctor, or just learn to embrace
How
it.
much did
and
that guy
move
you
on.
just did charge you?
For mine,
I'm not embracing shit.
150.
Oh, not bad.
2 dents in the door. And the touch-up paint was like $25, but that's like it didn't really. It's good enough, but it could be better. But for $25, I'm not gonna complain. No. Damn, bro! I thought I was gonna get a good before and after shot.
No, you just got the before and some more before.
Wait, hit it again? Like,
Put the suction on there. Yeah, you got it. Put the suction on there. While
He's
doing that,
you gotta move back to here.
push that shit up, bro.
Gotta move closer to the front of the car. Like
There you go. Now
care-
you're talking.
No, it's not moving.
can you go down
Do it,
more?
bro.
Like
It's
about
moving.
for this part
It's
there?
moving, bro. Do it, bro. That's better. That
Careful,
came-
because you don't want to make two like
you don't
another.
want a dent going this way.
Yeah,
No,
like
it's not. It's not.
it
It
moved a
is.
bit.
Keep
It
doing
moved
it,
a
bro.
bit.
This line is
Don't
almost.
quit, bro. Keep going. This
This
shit's
line is
working.
coming out.
Do it. Just
Like
do
where
it.
where the body is.
If you could get it to the part where you can put the suction on there.
You get a big.
Can you
cup.
get further
Go
in
this
though,
way.
or no?
This
Is
way
that the
somewhere.
furthest your hand
You
can
go
go?
that way.
I don't have any leverage if I go that way.
Oh, got you.
The
So,
big
like, move
suction
your hand
cup
back
might
and forth.
actually grab it now.
Yeah.
Looks like there's a.
You could get something like a mallet or something, put it in there, and use it to push it out.
Yeah, but you need the space to go back and forth. That's why I think the guy he had a tool that he
Fuck, I have a slide
A
hammer,
long
but I don't think
metal
you want to use
stick.
that.
was that guy.
Sounds like it should.
Drill a hole in it and just be like, bam!
You know what to do now, bro.
But you have access to it, you should be able to get that shit out.
That's
Yeah,
what
but
I'm
he said
saying.
if he goes further in, he doesn't have, so he probably can't move his hand back and forth. Like
Get
he
something
did.
smaller than your hand, put it in there, like a piece
I've
of
seen
wood.
people use airbags
Oh, yeah, put it in
where
there.
you can put
pump
an
it up.
airbag in
Yeah,
between.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's what the
wherever the
professional
frame
guys
is
do,
and
yeah.
It's got to be higher than that.
You gotta move a bit.
Baby steps.
That's what I'm saying. If you do that while hitting it on the inside,
Maybe, right? Yeah.
it's just you kind of waited long after it happened. If you did this shit right away, it would have been better for you.
Nope.
First time even.
All right, bro.
We'll add some old school, get some Bondo. Fill it, sand it, paint it.
It can be done, bro.
What's that sound? Oh, that's a Mustang. I thought that was like something else.
Oh, it's like that. That'd not be the thing.
All right, bro. At least we tried.